What's up guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can convert your normal images into 3D images, something like this and this, so many versions from one image. So the tool that I'm going to show you is Stylar AI. So just go to Google and type Stylar AI. You'll be getting the first link over here. Just click that, and as usual you need to sign in with your Google or email something. And once you're inside this, you'll be having here new project. Just click this and you'll be taken to a canvas area like this. You can just close this chatbot, and here we will be having this image to image. So this is where we will be able to upload our own image and then get it converted to a 3D image or any cartoon image. And here you'll be having an option to import images. Just click this and just upload the image that you want to edit. So just click this and click on open, and it will take some time for your image to get appeared on the screen, and you'll be getting this image in the canvas as a layer 1. So if you want to remove this image, you can just right click and delete it and replace with some other image also, and you can even like flip it horizontally or vertically, something like this. You have so many options, and you can even remove the background, or you can even like change the width and the height. So this gives us so much options like an image editor. So to convert this, again now go to image, and here we will be having choose a style. So this is where we will be getting our 3D and other styles to play around from. So I'll be showing you all the 3D styles. So if you just scroll down slowly, the first 3D thing that we'll be having here is this everything kawaii 3D cartoon. So just click this, and you can just add a prompt and add a style intensity. I will just leave it to the default one, and I'll just click on Stylarize. So this is how you will be getting the images generated for that particular style. And if you like any of those images, what you can do is just click on that image, and here it will be having selected in the staging area, and just click on place on canvas. So your image will be getting placed like this. So layer 1 will be this image, the image that we uploaded, and layer 2 will be the image that got generated. So if you want to hide it, you can just hide it this way. So this is super cool. And in case if you want to download this, just right click over here and just click on save as image. That's it, our new image will be getting downloaded. So if you want to remove this, just click on delete. That's it. So now let's again go and do this image to image. This time let's change the style to some other one. I'll go with this dreamy 3D one. Just click on Stylarize. So these are the images that I get for dreamy 3D. I guess this one is like super cool. You can just select this and download this, place on canvas and download this. And next let's go with some other 3D image. So we have this caricature 3D. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it the right way, so I'll just click on Stylarize. This is what I get for caricature 3D, and I think this is like quite different when compared to the rest. But if you want something like this, you can just choose this also. And next let me go with the innocent cutie. Select this and Stylarize, and this is what I get for innocent cutie, and this looks quite good when compared to the previous ones. And let's just try out with this blocky world, which is also a 3D something. Just click on Stylarize. So this is like Minecraft pixelated, but this looks super cool. And if you just scroll down, you will be able to see all the other images that are getting generated. So if you want to select anything, so if I want to click this one, and if I want to click this and this, and if I want to click on place on canvas, I'll be able to select multiple images to my canvas and then download it. So I think these are some of the 3D things available. You can just play around with it. I'll just click on place on canvas. So here you can see on each layer I'll be getting a particular image. So this is going to be the layer 5. If I hide it, I'll be getting the layer 4 available. And now if I want to download the layer 5, just right click and just click on save as image, and then remove this, then go to layer 4. If I don't want layer 4, I can just delete layer 4, delete layer 3, and if I want to get layer 2, I can just save as image, and that image will be getting downloaded over here. So this is basically how you convert normal image into 3D effect image. I hope you would have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in programming and AI. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.